Boom, yo. This is Alex from T.O.K, aka Alex the One, and you're in tune to the Vibes. I'm your host for the day. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go. That would be the Hummingbird, 200. 1993. Would that be Lisa Hanna? That would be the Caribbean Sea. Consonants in the English alphabet. Okay. Would it be 21? Because there's 26 letters in the alphabet, and it's on, and everything else would be consonants. So, I think so. One, direct. Most times with me, you get a situation where I talk my mind. Good, bad, ugly, or indifferent, I'm going to talk my mind. Troublesome. I personally believe that life is too short for you to be serious all the time, so you have to therefore can enjoy a little bit. Especially after with this pandemic that is going on and people stress out. I am a one troublemaker, so I'll try to make people laugh. Which goes to the third one, comedian, comical. That's another one of my traits. I mean, it's not just music I do. I mean, funny enough, I started music through impersonations, through impressions. So, comedy. I have a love for comedy. Feisty. Yeah, which I guess will kind of tie in with the direct and the blunt and the this and that. And then there's chill. Yeah, I mean, sometimes, I believe we take life too serious, so sometimes we have to learn to just appreciate what we have and just kick back and just relax. And just basically be grateful and thankful to be alive, you know what I mean? In these crazy times that we're living in, so I guess that would kind of wrap me up. Zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I. Okay, Harry Potter or Twilight? I think I probably would more go with maybe Twilight. I think the bunch of Expecto Patronum. Nah, you understand? When you're I'd be a vampire in the sense that live longer years, super strength, just chill, dark, mysterious. You know what I mean? And can blend into certain places and just blend right back out. You know what I mean? I'm not right on a broom. I'm not go on the broom. So yeah, I'm good. Boy, that one the tough. What genre? What genre? It would be a tie between probably the 80s music. I love 80s. I'm a fan of the 80s music. And I like for the rest of my life, that one they're rough. Between maybe 80s and I don't know. It probably have to be 80s. Because I was thinking maybe house music, some kind of techno type thing or reggaeton, but then I don't understand 3/4 of them are saying reggaeton, so I couldn't really dance it all day. And I love Afrobeat, so on the rough, but I mean obviously dancehall as well, but I think because I've been immersed in dancehall for so long, to go listen to dancehall for the rest of your life, no, nothing else, whatever you kind of, you know? So it probably would be 80s music. Just to kind of get the difference, because I live dancehall all my life now, you know what I mean? So definitely. And for those who don't know, Michael Jackson is my artist too. He's him inspired me to sing, so kind of ties in. Yeah, well, we always used to hear about it being the Arawaks, but I think it's actually what would remember the Tainos. The Tainos would have been, I guess, a more correct definition as opposed to the Arawaks. Yeah. Yeah, not really good at the history, but I kind of look a bit, you know. That's a toops, I think. Yeah. Living forever and being unhappy sounds dreadful. Why would I want to live forever and then be unhappy the whole time? That doesn't make no sense. For me, yeah, man, me take them 70 years, then I'm going to live my life the fullest, man, and go party like it's 1999 and call it a day. I hate that. You know, no, man, I would take the 70 years and make sure that those 70 years are the best. Because there's actually a saying, where they say it's actually not the years in your life, but the life in your years. You get me? So definitely that one is the one I choose. Hug my pillow. A joke. If I'm home alone and I heard sounds outside, well, I'm sorry for that person that's still though. Put that way there though. Because I can tell you something. In life, if you have a choice to make it either you or them, it's always me, You get me? So I leave it at that. Alright, right now we're gonna cut for a break and we'll be right back. Peace. Yeah, welcome back to the Vibes. I'm your host of the day. This is Alex. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the vibe so far. And it's all about what now? Song association and riddles we're doing now in the second segment of our show. Let's go. Saying its name breaks its silence because actually saying the word is actually a spoken word. You know what I mean? So imagine the place being extremely quiet and you just hear. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. Yeah, but that's a different kind of silence. That is, yeah. But anyway, silence is the answer, so that is my last answer. You really want me to start get trouble, I can start behaving myself. I don't want to get too much trouble on the people them TV. Air, I think, could be the best description for that one. So for that, we talk about air, and then the previous statement had to do with a different form of air, But that was my answer. Air. Where, especially in here where the place is kind of hot, glad for the little AC where I get inside the air right now, But yeah, man, air is the answer. Capital of France would be Paris. Nice place, especially in the summer when the girls keep it at that. Answer is France. Paris, France. Cities with no buildings. Lakes with no, mountains with no borders. What am I? Jesus? I have no idea. I don't know. I can't, that one they cannot baffle me. That one they catch me. Lakes with no borders. Mountains with no borders. I don't know. Who has a neck, no head, 2 arms and no hands? A neck and no head, 2 arms and no hands. Wow. A neck with no head. And arms and no hands. I don't know, I was thinking a neck with no head and arms with no hands. I was leaning towards like a hanger of a neck and whatever, I don't know. Neck with no head and arms with no hands. I don't know. COVID? I don't know. Let me see. Give him once and you can have either 2 or none. Give him once. I don't know. A hug? Maybe a hug. Maybe you can give a hug. 2 hands a hug you. I don't know. I don't know. Lost again. Them riddle something here. Catch me off guard, man.